Today let's check out another beautiful book. This is Aladdin and Other Tales from the Arabian Nights. This is one of the children's classics by Everyman's Library Children's Classics series, which produces beautiful collector books, and they contain more than 60 books in the series. These are cloth bound hardcover books, beautifully designed with letters in gold and gold gilded designs. All the books in the series have similar designs. A picture or poster on top representing each book. So this book is about Arabian Nights, also known as 1001 Nights. Down below there is a logo of Everyman's Library. Here's the spine, zigzag design, letters also in gold, beautifully designed, black and gold. There are more than 60 books in the series, and when all of the books are aligned, they make a beautiful design on bookshelves. So anyone who's interested to collect children's classics, this is a perfect book. This book costs around 12.99 UK pounds. In India, you can get this book for around $3.99. All the books are color coded. They come in various colors from white, red, brown, green, all kinds of colors. And this book is sky blue in color. Beautiful book. Here's the end page. The design is like a chessboard, and there's also a gap to write your name. All these pictures are from various famous artists. These children's classics by Everyman's Library are available in British Library. Here's a beautiful picture in black and white from the Arabian Nights. Everyman's Library Children's Classics are published since 1991. And here they have also told it is catalogued in British Library, as I said. And here are the contents of the books from Arabian Nights. The Story of Aladdin or the Wonderful Lamp, The King of Persia and the Princess of the Sea, Prince Camaralzaman and the Princess of China, The Loss of the Talisman, The First Voyage of Sindbad the Sailor till the seventh and last voyage of Sindbad the Sailor, The Story of Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves, The Story of the Enchanted Horse, The Story of the Fisherman and the Genie. So these are the stories this book contains. This book doesn't have the entire collection from the 1001 Nights by Sir Richard Francis Burton, who's the translator of the Arabian Nights. I think I have previously shown the complete collection of Arabian Nights by Barnes & Noble, Leatherbound Classics. If you want the complete collection, you can check that book, which is a beautiful book to know the complete collection or all the stories coming in the Arabian Nights. But this book is especially children's classics, perfect for young children. All the famous stories in Arabian Nights are given in this book. There are a lot of amazing pictures in black and white, giving it a classic look. It's an easy to understand language, perfect for any collector who loves children's book. Everyone's Library are amazing publishers producing beautiful books for collectors, perfect for any library. Here you can find lot of pictures all in black and white. There are totally 346 pages in this book. Lastly, they have given a small introduction how Arabian Nights came into. So this is basically told by Princess Shahrazade to the king for 1001 nights. So all the stories told by her is comprised as the Arabian Nights, and here are the artists. Small introduction they have given. Lastly, they have given various titles in Everyone's Library Children's Classics, like other books you can find in the series. I love all the books and I want to collect them. I'll be showing these books in my channel, so you can subscribe and keep getting updates from my channel. These are beautiful, amazing books. There's the similar end page just like the front. So this is the Aladdin and the other tales from the Arabian Nights by Everyone's Library Children's Classics. Please subscribe to my channel for more such amazing books. See you next time.